Welcome to Namitha's Delightful Dishes. Today I am making one of my favorite South Indian sides, a fresh, flavorful coconut chutney that pairs perfectly with idlis, dosa and so many more dishes. It's light, aromatic and comes together in just a few minutes, a simple recipe that always feels comforting, the kind that makes every morning feel special. Let's get started. To make this chutney, I'm starting with fresh coconut. It gives the best texture and flavor. Along with it, I'm using roasted chana dal, peanuts, green chilies, curry leaves, ginger, garlic, tamarind, mint and coriander. We will start by dry roasting some peanuts and roasted chana dal, also called putani kadale. Keep the heat low and roast until they turn slightly golden and aromatic. This gives the chutney that lovely nutty flavors and depth. In the same pan, add a little oil and sauté some green chilies, curry leaves, a bit of ginger and a clove of garlic. Fry them just for a few seconds until they release a comforting aroma. Then transfer everything to the same jar with the roasted nuts. Now add some fresh coconut pieces into the jar along with a little tamarind, a few mint leaves and a handful of coriander. Add salt to taste, then a splash of water and grind everything together until smooth. Once done, pour the chutney into a serving bowl. Add a little more water to the mixer jar. Swirl it well and pour that back into the bowl so you don't miss any of that flavor. Give it a good mix. Now it's time to make the tadka, the final touch that brings the chutney to life. In a small pan, heat some oil, then add mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal, curry leaves and dried red chilies. Let them sizzle and turn golden. Then pour this aromatic tamarind right over the chutney. And that's it, a quick, fresh and flavorful coconut chutney ready to serve. It is simple, light and the perfect match for any South Indian breakfast. Thanks for watching Namitha's Delightful Dishes. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more delicious creation.